what's up, guys? Long time no see.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, get the fuck up out of here. Then I already beat your
You
ass
fucking
already.
snake.
Get the fuck out of here, you dumbass bitch. Get the fuck out of here, you weird ass nigga. Get the fuck out of here, you fucking
Come
bitch.
on, man.
Fuck your bitch.
Yeah, you're dead to me, buddy. You're fucking dead to me.
Exactly.
Nah,
And
fuck
so-
that shit, bro. You fucking dead to me. Sign the
Get your
contract,
ass out.
pussy.
Don't fucking like you, dumbass bitch. Get the fuck out of here, you dumbass bitch.
Who the fuck was that?
I don't know, but I just wanted to talk to you guys again.
Oh, yeah, well, this is what you're getting from us, bitch. Fuck you. Oh, you're ducking Johnny, bro. Although Johnny isn't talking to us right now.
Fuck that, punch out Mario.
Fuck you.
You fuck you. You ain't shit.
Exactly, you ain't You're absolutely
And who are you? Who the fuck are
You're
you?
a fake ass bitch.
Bitch, what?
Yeah, bitch, what?
You wanna go? I'll come over.
Pause.
You won't do shit, bro. Trust me.
Everybody shit, bro. You touch me, but shut the fuck up.
Because when did this little rat become a tough wannabe kid?
Get a fat fighter. Who are you? Why do you have a star in your chest? What do you think, you're the star of the world?
Yes, I am.
Who are you? Who the fuck are you? Where's your other eyeball? What are you, blind? What's next? You're gonna become deaf? Oh
You
my
look-
God.
You look like a cupcake on crack, my guy. Shut the fuck up.
You didn't even do shit out
Yeah, you look like a dad.
Fuck you.
Fuck you too. Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, get the fuck
The
up
real
out
men are on the call right now. You ain't one of them,
He's
pussy.
alright, he's a track star.
Ah, the guy that fights nobodies.
Oh my god, it's a bootleg version of Ender.
I am Enter, you dumbass.
Yeah, you're a bootleg.
Are you retarded?
Are
You are. I know you are, but what am I? Who are you?
SpongeBob.
Who the fuck is that guy? You know what? I'm finna go
I'm
check.
not smoking weed.
No one asked.
Get the fuck out. Let me get.
Get the fuck out. Get the fuck up, bitch.
At least I'm not like fucking Johnny over here leaving the team because he cried about his. Oh, my buddy died. I'm glad your fucking rockstar friend died.
Excuse me?
Glad he's dead.
Excuse me? What the fuck did you just say,
Dead.
motherfucker?
That bitch, he's dead. Oh my God, Al for you.
I'm pulling up, bro. I'll fucking pull up, bitch. I'll beat the shit out of you. Pull up. Pull up, bitch. I'll fuck your ass up.
Fucking whatever the hell that person was. He didn't even have a record. He only had one damn win for his record.
Okay, and he has better wins than you ever will be, bitch.
Bitch, what? You don't even know. You fucking retarded, mate.
Bitch, I'm not British.
Why do old mate? Fuck you.
Yeah, fuck you, you little pussy.
I'm so sorry about you guys' loss, but seriously, you guys really.
Oh, little bitch. Ducking Johnny.
Wow.
You're ducking the rematch.
Who's here right now?
Well, we got, I don't know where Twist Wolf went. Batman and Gorilla Johnny are.
Hey, bitch.
Oh, for fuck's sake. This fucking retard.
I killed your brother.
You're fucking dead if I ever see you in the streets, bro. If I ever see you in the streets again, you pussy, I'm gonna fucking kill you. You understand me? Do you understand me?
I've had multiple gang members.
Bring all of them. Last time that didn't go well till you did it. You had to run away like a pussy.
I killed one of your friends. Did you kill any of my men, really?
Yes, I killed almost all your men. You, me, Gorilla Johnny, and Twisted Wolf, and Johnny, and killed all your men, bro.
But here's the thing, I killed your friend. I did it myself. I killed your friend, and he's dead now. And there's no going back from that, bitch.
Yeah, and there's no coming back from actually doing it, so now you're gonna fucking pay for this shit.
And you're 50 pay for this shit, man. Shut the fuck up.
You shut the fuck up, you pussy.
Don't come on my turf ever again, bitch. I'll do it to another one of your friends. Maybe next will be that fucking that fucking wolf looking thing. Where is he anyway?
Who?
Where's that bitch that Twist the Wolf?
I don't know where he went. Probably went out.
He wants to fucking fight me. Well, I want to see him. I want to see him in face. Tell him I want to say hi.
I don't think he gives a rat's ass about you right now, pussy.
Man, fuck you.
Fuck you. Get the fuck out of
You
here.
guys are pussies. Team's full of a bunch of pussies. Come on, you guys let one of your teammates die and you guys did nothing about it except for killing multiple gang members?
We're
Well,
gonna
like, I
do.
was gonna do a
Twisted
different-
Wool's gonna do something about it if he ever gets in the ring with you.
Drop your weapons and give me all your money that you had. But no, you just have to let one of your friends die. I can't believe this. You know what? I wish I never did that.
Yeah, because now you know what's gonna happen. You're gonna suffer the
No,
consequence.
it's not because I know what's gonna happen, because I would have been rich as fuck if I didn't let him die. Because you guys would have gave me your fucking money, but you guys didn't have to agree, so guess who's dead now? You wanna see him? You wanna see his dead body? You wanna see his dead body? I felt Captain. He's still here. He smells though. He smells super bad. You wanna see him?
You better not, you motherfucker.
There he is. Dead as a nut. Fucking hell. Look at his ass. Oh, he's dead as hell.
I'm gonna fucking kill you!
Oh, look at his gunshot wound in his head.
Shut the fuck up, you piece of shit. Look at all your dead men on the fucking canvas, you piece of shit.
Oh,
I
look
just
at
thought
that.
that he's just snitching on himself, right?
Huh?
He's just straight up snitching on himself.
What do you do?
He's snitching on himself.
I'm a gang member. I have tons of gang members. They can just fill my place as a prisoner, you know.
He's a fucking little
You know
rat.
how it works? I'm gonna give you back this dead body. Okay? The fuck is that? Is that an S2? What is that?
Can you keep on saying that again? Because I want to catch more of this, to be honest.
Oh, this is my old pal Rockstar Foxy.
No, I don't think it's your old pal. I think he's dead.
Yeah, I think he's dead. Let him move by himself. Let him move by himself. Move out the way.
Okay. Come on.
You're literally moving him.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
You know
you
what?
are.
You know what? Jake Paul, this is for you, bitch. I heard you bought 3 slaves. The fuck is wrong with you?
I mean, I didn't, but okay.
Yeah, you did. There's a huge ass rumor you did. It's all over the news. You bought 3 slaves. Yeah, put that damn camera away. You fucking man. You don't want to see that on the internet, do you? Because you bought 3 fucking slaves. You fucking rat ass bitch. And get
You know,
that
I don't
camera
even
out
have-
of my bitch.
I don't even have time for this. I gotta train for my fight with Anderson Silva.
Alright, peace out, Jake.
Yeah, whatever. Where's everybody else at, to be honest?
Well, Johnny left us. He's not talking to us right now.
Oh.
Gorilla Johnny's here, and Batman's just hanging out.
Oh, Johnny's in Puerto Rico now. He like left like a few minutes ago.
Yeah, I'm gonna find him. So.
I don't know what.
Oh, I'm Rockstar Foxy. I'm so dead right now. Got your ass. Got your ass.
I hope he knows to record every single thing.
You know what? I don't give a shit about the camera. Like I said, I have tons of gang members. They can take care of this shit.
You ain't gonna do shit.
You're just snitching on yourself.
I know, bitch. I like snitching on myself. I snitch on myself all the time.
Okay, 6ix9ine.
I don't care if you record. Look, he's dead. Oh, it's like the cops are even gonna find me, bitch. The fuck is that guy? Why the fuck is there just a fucking gorilla yet? He missed the second stage of evolution.
Shut your
Fucking
bitch ass
kinda
up, you
human.
fucking little kitty cat pussy ass bitch.
You want to see your dead friend again?
I'm sorry. Who are y'all people again?
Who are you?
I'm Vinny Hacker.
Never heard of you once in my life.
No.
Yeah,
Look at him. Look at his dead body. You guys want his dead body? I'll give it to you for $5,000.
I'll kill you for it.
$5,000. I'll give you the body and I'll leave you alone for a bit. How about that? $5,000. That's all I ask. $5,000.
I'll fucking kill you.
I ask $5,000.
I'll take the money from.
If you don't apply to these fucking rules, I'm gonna kill more people. You're just putting more.
That's your personal problem, you dumbass bitch.
Give us. You're sure? Are you sure? Any hacker recording, I don't care. I don't give a shit.
I don't give a
Look,
fuck
man.
either. I'm telling you right
Look,
here,
man.
motherfucker. I'll kill your ass right now, bro.
I'm gonna burn his body right in front of you if you don't give me that $5 grand.
I'll fucking burn you, you little bitch. How do you feel about that?
Bro, Johnny, you're just snitching on yourself, to be honest.
Shut the fuck up, you dumbass little TikTok bitch.
Yeah, and I'll whoop Deji's ass.
He'll beat you in a rematch anyway.
Why are you dick riding Deji?
Huh?
I'm throwing the body in the incinerator.
And you don't even fight anymore. You don't fight no one anymore.
Johnny, you fucking idiot. Listen to me. This is your last chance. I'm gonna burn the rest of his body and he's gonna be cremated. It's gonna be my ashes and I'll eat the fucking ashes. For crying out loud. So.
Okay, Hannibal Lecter.
Give me $5 grand right now.
Get the fuck up, Viniac. You dumbass hoe.
Just give me $5 grand. We don't have to do this.
Bro, I'll fucking kill you. I don't care. I'll do it myself.
Put Lefty on the line. He's more gullible. Get him on the line.
Lefty, go over here. This pussy wants to make a deal. Fuck you want, bitch.
You want to savor this man right here. I know you want to savor him, right? You love him, right?
Oh, he's one of my buddies, so yeah.
Well, I'll give you back the dead body and I'll leave you alone for a couple of months if you give me $5 grand.
$5 grand? Who will carry $5 grand?
Don't do it, bro. Well, I mean, I don't want him to burn the body.
The buttons are here, man.
I mean, if you think about it, if you want him back to bury him for yourself, just give him the money. Because I mean, you.
There's no point of giving him the money. He's just gonna scam y'all dumbasses. I mean, y'all.
Just give me the money, man. Oh,
I mean, thinking about it, you got a good point, Jake. This little pussy will probably could scam us.
I got a PayPal notification. Who just sent me $5 grand? Well, you want your dead body? Well, here you go. I'm gonna put this in a box, I guess, and mail it to you.
I just sent you the Bitcoin. There you go. You're welcome.
They didn't even mail anything to you.
I just emailed the money. I don't get to be asked.
The body's on the way.
There's no point of selling it.
We already have a lot of money. Who cares? I can't be asked.
Wait, aren't you Bruce Wayne?
I'm Batman.
Don't think that.
No. I think you're Bruce Wayne because y'all both.
Since Pichu agrees to his rules, I'm gonna be taking his place right now. I'm one of his fellow gang members, one of the gang leaders.
Here's the thing. I don't give a fuck.
Exactly.
I have a gun.
I don't give a fuck. You're not near this. So.
I got a gun too, bitch.
You got a gun too, bitch.
Who the fuck fucking sponge that motherfucker?
Gorilla Johnny, you're just snitching on yourself.
I don't give a shit.
Plus, aren't you on probation?
What the fuck is probation?
You don't know what...
The fuck is probation?
This is exactly why I moved to Puerto Rico, to get away from you.
Shut the fuck up, you dumbass sponge.
Damn, bro, that was the funniest shit I've heard all day.
The fuck is probation, though?
Puerto Rico.
I'm a gang member, and I know that shit.
You know what? Fuck this. I'm leaving this team, and I'm going back to Puerto Rico.
Cool, I didn't ask.
Well, your team is all splitting up here. Your team is fucking garbage now.
Hey, who are you? You fucking little pussy.
Man, just shut the fuck up.
Get the fuck up, you dumb You fucking dumb sponge. Great. Now Jake Paul has beef with us too. This is just fucking great.
Mr. Wolf, Pichu wants to speak to you. Do you want to talk to Pichu right now, Mr. Wolf? Bitch, answer. You know what the fuck? What a pussy. Pussy, your team's a bunch of pussies.
You're a pussy.
You let one person die and let two people leave. You never even try to get him back. Never even try to do anything to help him. And what the fuck is wrong with you guys? You guys are really dicks.
You're a pussy, bro. Fuck you.
Yeah, and we ruined your team. Our gang ruined your team.
You ain't done shit, bro.
Yes, we did. We killed your friend for crying out loud. How bad does that have to be? And you guys thinking this is the least thing that can happen? He's your fucking friend who's been friends with you for years now. 10 decades for now. And you guys just pass it off like it's nothing. My God, it's a death. Want to know what death is? It means someone's not gonna come back. You guys thinking, oh, is this gonna knock on your door and say, hey guys, it's me again. No, we ain't gonna do that. What do you not understand about death, you fucking idiot? Yeah, leave, bitch.
Shut your bitch ass up, you fucking clown.
And I can't fucking stand this game. I'm out.
Hey, SpongeBob, check out the window.
Twist Wolf, what are you doing?
What the fuck is that? Is that a gun? Oh, bitch! Oh, God, I barely missed that. Shit. Everyone, get down.
Twist Wolf, what are you doing, you fucking dude? Dude, what are you doing?
I promised you. I promised this shit, man. What did I fucking tell you? I'm sick of this. You know what? This is your fault. This is fucking your fault.
My fault?
This motherfuckers!
God damn it, we gotta get Twist Wolf some backup.
Fight, bitch, let's fucking fight.
Fucking shit, Twist Wolf's getting into another gunfight. What? Are you fucking serious? I'm pulling up. Let's go. Are y'all a bunch of pussies, or what are you gonna do?
Take cover, Spongy. Whoa, what's that? Oh, Jesus Christ, you barely missed.
What do you think we should do? I mean, look, Twist Wolf's gonna get killed out there on his own.
We need to kill just a wolf. We can even prove our
I
point.
mean, Twist Wolf can fight, but I don't fucking know if he can take all those people on himself. Yeah, that's a good idea. Batman, are you coming? I honestly am not. I'm gonna just go hang out. I'm just gonna go play games. I'll see you guys around. Shit. Gorilla Johnny, I think we need to go help him. You think so?
Gorilla Johnny, isn't your girlfriend Jacko Chica?
What?
Isn't your girlfriend Jacko Chica?
Yeah, it's about his ex-wife.
Well, let's just say I have her.
Are you fucking serious? Well, I'm on my way, man.
Hey, yo, Mario, take this, you son of a bitch.
Twist the Wolf, we're gonna help you.
Oh, look at your girlfriend, Gorilla Johnny.
Oh my God, she's ugly as hell.
That's my fucking girlfriend, Twist the Wolf. Damn.
Sorry.
We're gonna help you out here. You can't do it on your own. Let's go. Let's go, Lefty. All right.
Alright, SpongeBob, you do the honors.
Take this, SpongeBob.
Twist the Wolf, we're here. What do you want us to do?
Goodbye, you bitch.
Oh, for fuck's sake, they killed your girlfriend. Motherfucker.
Take this, motherfucker.
Twist the Wolf, we're here. What do you want us to
I
do?
am gonna marry her. Bitch, you guys think you could stop me?
Take this, bitch. None of these shots are working. Give me that. Give me the bazooka.
All right, now that time, that's not me shooting. Someone shooting else. Duck.
What the fuck was that?
What the? Yeah, bitch, I got your ass. It's me, Luigi.
Take this. I got a bazooka.
Oh shit!
Luigi killed himself. Yes. Yo,
No,
Bonnie,
you
take
still
this,
alive.
bitch. Yo, Bonnie, take this.
What the fuck is it?
I gotta jump. Launch me on the bazooka. I'm jumping. I'm going into the house. Are you ready? Let's go. I'm in the house. Let's go. I'm in. I'm here, bitches.
I can't take this anymore. I'm done. Nico Avocado, don't do it. Good luck to everybody out there.
Take this.
Goodbye.
He could just kill himself.
I'm kind of enjoying this weekend, no cap.
He's dead.
Who's
Damn.
Wolf? I'm in the house right now. Get in here. I need backup.
Get the fuck
You get the fuck back,
man.
bitch.
I'm not taking the shit.
Oh, you want to go, Lou?
Twisted Wolf's in the house too. Gorilla Johnny, you're sniping.
Oh, hell nah. Hey, let me handle this. Bowser Jr.
What? Johnny?
Johnny?
Yeah, what's
I
good,
think
little
we're
bitch?
fucking Puerto
Bring it
Rico.
on, ho.
Where the fuck did Johnny come from?
I'm grabbing the parachute.
Push
Bitch,
him
I'm
off.
jumping off. I have
Cut
to
it off.
do
Cut the parachute off.
Fuck. He got away.
Come on, SpongeBob, we gotta hurry.
No, not so fast, Pichu.
I'm out.
Come on, SpongeBob.
Damn it, Johnny, why'd you run away?
Take this, SpongeBob.
Oh, no, not SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
Get
Give me that
fucked.
SpongeBob pack.
Bitch, I'm going down with him.
Deforestation, bitch. Show them.
Gorilla Johnny, go, 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 go. I'm in the house.
Everyone meet up. Everyone meet up.
Fuck you.
Who the hell are you?
Gorilla Johnny, bitch.
No, not you. God, that was a huge ass landing. Oh my God, SpongeBob's almost dead.
Lefty, get him. Die, SpongeBob.
We need to escape on our plane now.
Get to the plane, get to the
No,
plane.
it looks
Blow
like
up the
it's on
plane.
some fire.
Blow the plane on
Still
fire.
up there.
Put the plane on fire.
Get down here.
Gorilla Johnny, get the grenade.
I'm lighting this stuff on fire.
Do it. I'm throwing a grenade.
There's something going on in the plane.
Come on, Spike. What the fuck? Oh God, the fire.
Push him off.
Damn it. I'm not on the floor. I'm on the floor now, too.
Everyone, get in the plane. Get in the plane. Everyone, load up.
Shoot
I got
the
Hit the
plane.
plane. You know what? Fuck it.
I'm shooting.
It's not working. We have to get into the... Twist the Wolf. We have to get into the plane.
Grab in there. Grab Bowser Jr.
You get Bowser Jr. I'm going into the plane.
All right. Grab Sonic. Grab him.
I got him. Come here, Sonic. Get them over here.
Oh God, twist the box right there.
I got you, bitch. Gorilla Johnny's here. Mario, take this pussy.
Twist the Wolf has him. Twist the Wolf has him. Somebody help. Grab my hand. Grab my hand.
Eno, take this bitch.
We're in the air. We're in the air. We're in the air.
Hey, suckers, I'm in the plane, pussies.
Twist the Wolf is about to fall. Twist the Wolf is about to fall.
Get up, Twist the Wolf. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's
I
go.
escaped. Close the door on his hand.
Get in, Twist the Wolf.
Jump in.
I'm in. Gorilla Johnny didn't make it in. I'll take care of this from out here. I got my own plane. Gorilla Johnny, where are you? I'm flying up. Shoot these motherfuckers down. We're in the plane.
Okay. They didn't know my plan.
Surprise,
Everybody
motherfucker.
Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Open the hatch. Everyone jump.
What the? What the fuck?
You guys
Gorilla
are
Johnny,
the
don't
plane.
shoot.
The plane is crashing.
Gorilla Johnny, why are you shooting? Oh, fuck. I need to jump out. Fuck, there's no parachute anywhere. I'll take this. Oh!
Get out the plane.
Oh.
Damn, that plane was sick as hell. Woo! I'm in the fucking air. I'm on a parachute.
Gotcha, bitch.
Gorilla Johnny here. Gorilla Johnny. Everyone move.
Yes, I'm here, pussy.
You're fucking serious right now.
Ugh.
I don't know. He's trying to get my ass, though.
Grab him.
I got him.
Everyone, detach their parachutes on the count of 3. 1, 2.
Lefty already landed.
We need to land in the water. Okay.
Lefty, go to the water. Go to the water.
Come on.
You're shooting! Stop!
Okay, SpongeBob, you alright?
I'm in the water. I'm in the water. Ah.
Oh God, Bob is dead. Bob is fucking dead, I think. No, he's
Ah.
alive. He
Ah.
got a mild headshot. Man got lucky.
Ah. Come here, Anard. Get over here. Lefty's dragging Anard. Come on. I'm gonna drown you with me.
Don't worry, I'll grab him too. I'll grab him.
All right, Twisted Wolf. Get him.
Drown, you hoe!
Ah. Who the fuck are you?
Wait, Gorilla John, you're still at the house?
I'm in the house right now. Still. Yeah.
The bombs in. Call the bombs in. Time to die.
Fuck. I gotta get out this house. I'm gonna jump out the window. I'll meet y'all somewhere. Ah.
Oh God, that water's fucking cold. Yeah, I can agree with that one. Ooh.
You really thought you could escape? I'm still here, bitches.
Shit, everyone move. Get your ass back over here.
Yeah, let's get back to where you want to go? Let's go.
Yes, you got Bowser Jr.
Alright, guys, I grabbed Bowser Jr. Let's get out of here.
All right, let's go.
Bitch. Shoots Twisted Wolf.
Ah, he shot me in the leg. Hold on.
I got him. I got Bowser Jr. Huh.
Bowser Jr. runs away and escapes it.
Nah, I got Bowser. I got him.
No! Guys, hurry! I'm calling my dad on your ass!
Oh, shit. Oh,
My dad.
shit.
Call his dad right now. Okay. He's on his way, he said. Oh, they're about to be killed. I told him to get the...
Oh, hell no. Which one you motherfuckers took my son?
Alright, let's try to regroup while Bowser tries to take care of Bowser Jr. Everyone, regroup.
Oh, fuck. Bowser's here. Gorilla Johnny, jump Bowser. All right, come here, bitch.
Alright, let's jump his ass.
What you want to do, pussy? Get him. Damn it, Twisted Wolf, get the fuck off me too. Paul, I got Bowser too.
I got Bowser Jr. Let's get out of here. Go. Get in the car.
They got Bowser Jr. Fuck, yes.
I pointed at the gas tank. You guys better stop the car or y'all pointed. I'm gonna pull his car
I
up.
speak cash up in this bit.
Damn it.
Fuck, they got Bowser too. We got Bowser too, suckers.
Let's hit Pichu with the car.
Bitch, you know I have great jumping abilities, right? Man, fuck you.
Guys, we got Bowser in this car as well.
I tried to get them, guys. It was too late. Fuck. Let me think of a plan for a minute.
We got him right here.
Alright, guys, I have a plan. What's the plan? Because we seem totally fucked right now, except... Okay, the plan is we sneak attack them. We pretend they're their neighbors, and we sneak attack their house and kill one of them, and then we grab Bowser Jr. and go in the car. You guys got that? Yup.
Little do they know that I'm right behind them.
Okay, let's go.
Gorilla Giant, you grab Sonic, alright?
I got you.
Actually, Lefty, you go after Sonic, and Gorilla Giant, you go after Luigi.
I
don't know
got
what happened
you.
to Mario. He burned up in the fire.
Mario escaped. He's running. He's coming back later. You'll see.
He's not running. He's on track star.
Energy, can you be Mario?
I'm recording still, but yes.
He's gonna do like a sneak attack. Okay, everyone dressed up? Yep, let's do this. Knock on their door. Come in, it's your neighbors. Hello?
How may I help you today?
We'd like to, meet the family and stuff,
You are trespassing on private property and you have to pay your doorknob.
Where the fuck is Twisted Wolf? Where's Twisted Wolf?
Who is Twisted Wolf? My name is Camila Bob. Camila is Grandma. Camila Bob is according to the cop. And what can I help you for today?
It's the wrong house. Okay, come
Yeah,
on.
get the fuck up out here before I kill you with that chopper.
Alright, now I think this is the house.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. You motherfucker. Get the ass. Get the fucking property.
I'll open the door. Come on, please don't say that.
What you want?
Oh, God, no. Wrong house. You're not even gonna mess with these guys. Wait, that's my fellow gang member. Hey, Poppy, how you doing?
Who the fuck are you?
I don't think he remembers me. Alright, come on, let's go.
Man, get the fuck up out here before I start shooting your bitch ass. Oh, God. The baby.
Alright, this is the next time. Please be the right house.
What's up, big up? What's up?
I'm sick of this shit. Where the fuck is Mario? He said he'd come back with like a sneak attack. Yeah, he did say that.
I got Sonic. Go.
Fuck, he got Sonic. Wait.
Gotcha, bitch. Gotcha. I got him. Oh no. They done fucked up. Get them motherfuckers.
Marno, about damn time. Come on, do your sneaking moves that you've been planning.
I got it.
Alright. Fucking do it.
I got Lefty.
Nice shot, motherfucker.
Oh, shit.
Fight back.
Grab Mario.
Shit.
I'm out. Sonic run gets out.
Get the fucking car, dumbass.
Junior, run.
I don't think so, Bowser Jr. Get your ass in that car.
Shit.
An enemy that I would never thought I would be enemies with.
Drive.
I'm gonna throw you out this damn window. You ready? 3, 2,
Don't do it.
1.
I don't think so.
He's out. I threw him out the window.
Get back here, Luigi.
Shit, it's just me right now. I think they captured Bowser Jr. again, but at least I was escaped.
Get the fuck over here, bitch.
Oh, God, get him.
Shit.
Lefty.
Oh, damn it.
Twisted, what? Where the hell did you came from? And he has a bunch of bruise marks on him, too.
Get your ass in that car. Come on, we gotta get out of here.
We gotta get out of here. Shit.
What did I tell you, man?
I made it. I'm out.
Pull him in the truck.
Fuck.
Guys, wait.
Close
Grab the gun. Point it at the motor. Okay.
Faster.
Keep going.
1.
Damn it.
Come on, make
What the
it,
fuck?
Make it. Yeah, it made it.
Damn it. God damn it. I'm jumping out.
We jumped out.
Bowser Jr. and Sonic jump out. Mario jumps out too.
Jesus Christ. What the hell just happened?
It's a good fucking answer.
Alright, everyone, we need to get the hell out of here before they come back. Come on, get in the car. Alright, we're done. We're leaving. Drive away. Alright, that's it for me.
God damn it, they got away. We'll get them next time.
We still have Bowser right here, though.
Yeah, we got him.
And Mario as well.
Mario got out. We got Bowser, so we're gonna have fun.
I don't think you forgot about Mario. I grabbed his ass. The whole
Oh, thank God.
You guys think you really thought you guys could get away with this? That was a grenade. Bye, bitches.
Shit.
And they already realized that we already left.
No, this is. Damn it, your own house. Well, I'm after that. I'm coming after you, bitch. Tomorrow, I'll meet you guys and I'll show you what.
Well, I'm out.
I'm out.
So what are we gonna do with Mario?
We'll just bring him to the lair.
You know what? Mario needs a little bit of an ass whooping from me.